Alright everyone, so if you don't claim this bonus, as soon as you're seeing this video, there's a high chance you're not going to be getting it because the video came in late and I had to just quickly make video about it to inform everyone on how to get it. And the terms and conditions are pretty easy, they are just straightforward. You just have to trade the bonus for just 1 week and you will be getting your withdrawal. So like all you need to do right now is to pay attention, follow the steps I'll be showing in the video, and every single details will be explained in this video. So the first thing you need to do immediately you're seeing this video, just go straight to the comment section, click on the link right there in the comment section, and it will take you to the site where you'll be having details about this $50 deposit bonus. Now firstly, let's dive into the terms and conditions to actually get full details about what we're actually doing with this bonus. Right here you can see right here in the video what we have right now is the page where you're actually going to sign up. But firstly, you can see underneath it the road $50 bonus right there. So for firstly, let me make this known to everyone that you would need to actually verify. So and you need to be 18, you need to be 18 years old and upward. So for you to actually get the bonus. So if you click on this section that says $50 bonus, give us a little bit of details of the things we actually need to know about how to get the bonus. Now you can see right here the first thing said eligibility. Now complete registration, verify email and mobile, pass full KYC and open a live MT5 account. Now every day at you can see at 08 o'clock UTC time, 1000 eligible clients from the period of 13 November to 21st November are randomly credited. Now you can see those right here. It said eligible clients, which is to be eligible, you need to complete registration, verify email, and pass the full KYC, and make sure you've opened a live MT5 account. Now you can see right there $50 is non-withdrawable trading credit, and for the profit withdrawal you see you're allowed to withdraw after the 7th day of trading this eligible instrument, FX meta futures only, while crypto cash index and cash energies and are not eligible. Now see the crazy part, it says any withdrawal impact, withdraw before meeting condition, remove the bonus and forfeit of profit. Now if you actually try to withdraw before actually meeting the conditions, the terms and conditions, you will forfeit the bonus and you lose your withdrawal. So right there. Now that's not the full terms and condition. Just pay attention. I'll explain the full terms and condition at the end of the video. But I'm sure this right here I've actually given us a brief details of what we actually know we are about to meet in the bonus. So let's dive into the site. Now this part you're actually going to pay attention. So once you come back to this section right here, all you need to do is you first of all click on sign up. You can see it's underneath right here. You click on it, then it brings us to this section where you have details like this on the screen. You have for details. So you'll be asked to fill in your email address, the country where you're from, your first name, last name, put in a password, and make sure it meets this requirement right here. And in this small box, you click on it to confirm that you're 18 years and above. And this other one says registration acknowledgement. You click on the small box right there to acknowledge your registration and click on create accounts. Now you can see it underneath right here that says create accounts after filling every details. Now you have something like this requiring you to actually verify your email address. So if you go straight to your email address, you have an email just like this and you click on verify email. So it will take you back to the site where you'll be asked to actually sign in into the account. Now you know we already created our email and we already created a password also. So you just need to fill in those details in this section and click on sign in. Now immediately after that you'll be shown details like this requiring you to actually fill in your personal details into this section. So you have just three sections right here. You fill in your personal details, your country of your country where you're from, other details, tax, identification number, and actually you fill every details. And the next part, after that you click on submit and it takes you to the next part where you have to fill in details about your financial information. Now, after filling these details, you click on submit again, and the next part will be for you to actually verify your document. So you actually need to upload a picture of your document for verification, like something like this. You just now this part you need to actually pay attention because you need to get verified. Now I'll show you a simple step on how to go how I did mine. I actually missed this part, but when I was trying to make the video, I got it right. So at this section, instead of you selecting ID card, just wait, scroll up a little bit and you see NIN. So for Nigerians, if you're using an NIN, you just have to do a lively check by you know what a lively check means, and then you'll be asked to add the NIN number into a box, and once that is done you just submit, and that's the simple step. If you're actually using ID card, you have to take a photo of your ID cards and also put a proof of address by using your bank statement and stuff like that. So just make sure you use any process that is actually suitable for you. And after that, once you've been verified, you'll be having something like this on your screen that it's actually pending. And after that, within a minute, I got verified. So after that, you'll be verified, and you can see the email right here at the top of my screen for showing that I've been verified. So after you've been verified, you actually need to go to the main menu. And if you don't get access to the main menu, you can just click on their logo at the top right here to take you to the main menu, and you'll be having something like this asking you to create a trading account. And according to the criteria, that's the next step we actually need to take. And by clicking on open an account, you see it right here, you click on it and it shows you details like this. And you can see the first one right here, the first account is actually locked, which means you can actually create that. While the second account is a standard account, which is what we'll be opening. Now, to click on the standard account, you click on it and it shows you more details like this. You scroll to the bottom and then you click on create account, and it shows you more details like this. So all you need to do is to just select the leverage you want, and then you can actually proceed to open the account. So after opening the account, you'll be having details showing you on your screen that you actually need to save your password to log in case you want to log into the MT5. So once you have every details saved, if you scroll to the bottom, you see it says save password. So if you have the password saved, you'll be having the account created on your behalf, and also you'll be getting an email showing you that the account has been created. So once the account is created, all you need to do is to just wait. Now, for those of us who actually get, in case you actually get this bonus before or that, just come to the comment section to leave a comment that you've gotten it to actually show people proof that you can actually get the bonus. So for the terms and conditions, like I said, I'll be explaining here. I'll just be showing it on the screen. You can just pause the video and then take a proper look at the terms and conditions. Already, I gave a brief explanation of the important ones you don't want to miss out, but you can just pause the video and take a look one by one at the terms and conditions, making sure you don't miss out on any important aspect. I'm sure I've done my best to actually explain to everyone every single thing you need to know about this bonus. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and turn on your notification because that's very important. So anytime I drop videos like this, you get notified and you don't miss out on important no deposit bonus anytime I drop them. Have a nice day, guys.